Hey guys, so you got two things that you're going to be doing today, all right? So the first thing is reading chapter 8, and it gets like real in chapter 8, right? So for the first time, we're going to have a tribe split, right? So Jack and the choir boys and a lot of the older boys are going to split off, and it's just going to be Ralph, Piggy, and the little ones kind of left alone. And we're really going to start to see Simon in particular lose it. Right? Chapter 8 is also important because there is another hunt. And I want you to keep seeing how these are escalating, right? How is the violence and the satisfaction from the violence and the kind of release that the guys are getting from this becomes so much more important. And they're going to leave a gift for the beast. And I want you to think about the effect that that gift has on Simon as well. So this is a really, really important chapter. It's a meaty chapter. Even the title of it, Gift for the Darkness, should probably kind of give you an indicator about how important it is. So not tomorrow, but on Monday, I'm going to have another video kind of making sure that we talk about the highlights of that chapter and why they're so important, and getting into a little bit more of a close read of that chapter, so that you guys don't miss out on that. But I think the book really starts to pick up at this point. This is it's kind of all like a real quick downhill from here. So again, hopefully you guys are enjoying reading the book and hopefully you're keeping up with it. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to answer the questions for chapter 8 as well. It's just the standard reading guide questions. We're going to deal with some more analytical questions on Monday. But otherwise, read chapter 8, answer those questions, and have a wonderful weekend. All right. Bye, guys.